So in this second video of want to wanna, I want to show you about what happens with wanna with he and she. Let's go. So the basics is we can use wanna with he and she, but only in negative and questions. What do you mean, Terry? Negative and questions? Well, I mean exactly that. I mean, if you have he or she wants to go there, because he or she is the S, remember? Wants to go there. And then he or she doesn't want to go there. So the wanna is want to. Not wants to, but want to. And then in questions, is does he or she want to go there? Can you see? So if we have he wants to buy it, we cannot say he wanna buy it. This is not correct. This is the little secret. She wants to buy it. She wanna buy it. No, this is not correct English. But with a negative sentence, he doesn't want to buy it. He doesn't wanna buy it. Yes, that we can. Or she doesn't wanna buy it. So this is the little difference about he and she. With he wants, she wants, no wanna. With he or she doesn't want, yes, we can use wanna. This is the difference. Or in questions, the does, not do with he and she. Does he want to buy it? Does he wanna? Does he wanna buy it? Or does she wanna buy it? So this is the secret, okay? Not too difficult. Let's practice. So now we are going to practice examples with he and she in negative and questions. Ready? He does not want to go. He doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go. So we will see later this T sound is disappearing and we have a full module about the T. But for now, just he doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go. What time does he want to leave tomorrow? What time does he wanna? What time does he wanna leave tomorrow? A little faster. So does he? Does he? What time does he? What time does he want to leave tomorrow? What time does he want to leave tomorrow? She does not want to be late for the concert. She doesn't want to be late for the concert. She doesn't want to be late for the concert. So remember the T doesn't wanna be late for the concert. She doesn't want to be late for the concert. She doesn't want to be late for the concert. How long does she want to stay there? How long does she wanna? How long does she wanna stay there? Wanna stay there. How long does she? So how long does she? How long does she? How long does she want to stay there? She does not want to clean the kitchen today because she is too tired. Tired. She doesn't want to clean the kitchen today because she's too tired. So she is to she's. She doesn't want to clean the kitchen today because she's too tired. So she doesn't want to clean the kitchen today. So the because, quickly, cause she's too tired. She doesn't want to clean the kitchen today because she's too tired. Where does he want to meet us? Meet us. Where does he want to meet us? Where does he want to meet us? So what happens to does he? where does he? Where does he want to meet us? So where does he? Where does he want to meet us? Do you know why she does not want to do it? So, do you? Do you know why she doesn't want to do it? Do you? Do you know why she doesn't want to do it? So, do you know why she doesn't want to do it? So, doesn't wanna, doesn't wanna. Do you know why she doesn't want to do it? Do you know why she doesn't want to do it? So this ends our second video of using wanna, he and she. Join me in the next video to learn about one of the most simplest mistakes about using wanna with things and nouns. See you there.